Hi, and welcome to my video on installing and uninstalling a program on DOS. I did quite a bit of research on this last night, and although I did find DOS programs on the internet, I could not for the life of me figure out how to get DOS and VMware to pick up a program on my host computer. So I was a little confused by that. But lucky for me, I am old enough and I am a collector. And so I managed to find actual 3.5-inch discs of programs. So we're going to try two of them here. Here's my DOS machine. Now I'm not totally sure that this is working correctly, because I have had problems with trying to do color and with edit, so you'll see that I did have a problem with that in the next video. But here is, I found Oregon Trail version 2.1. It's IBM and Tandy. The instructions on the side is to install.execute. So we are going to give that a wing. And so I want to go to the A drive. Oops, get rid of my cursor. A drive, install.execute. And let's see what happens. Now this happened previously where it went to that end and it doesn't sound like it is doing anything. It's not moving. Now, although we played Carmen earlier, that was just installed from the disk and it was not actually installed on the computer system. It was just played. So I'm going to do the thing you're not supposed to do, and I'm going to go ahead and pop this out, because it does not seem to be reading it at all. I don't know what the issue is. So we're going to abort that with an A. And we're going to try, this is an Autodesk CAD program. It doesn't have the date on it, but the disk says 1991. So let's see if we can, I want to see if I can get a directory, whoops, on this. See if it will read this. Okay, just go to A. Aha. And the direction was to install. Oh, that's moving along. Let's see what it does. Sounds like it's stuck. Do you hear that sound? I'm going to pause my video for a second and see where this might progress. Oh, an I/O error. Okay, so that is not working. So I am thinking that I have a problem with actually with my DOS program. It does not seem to be working properly. I put in another disk. This is called BrainQuest. Let's hit R for retry and let's see what we get there. Okay, we're going to look at the directory, and the execute is set up. So let's try that. Do you see that there? It's the only execute file on this disk is set up. So let's go ahead and see what this does. Microsoft Windows. Okay, evidently it does not like the DR-DOS program. That is interesting. We're going to pop that one out. And both of these are one just automatically works. It's called Scunny the Squirrel Games. The other one is Shooting Gallery. I remember that. And at the A prompt we're supposed to put wow. So let's see what we get when we put this one in. Again, this isn't actually installing it, I don't believe. I believe it's just playing. No, it is not wanting to read these discs at all. Now, I do not know what the issue would be with the programs, because these are actual DOS programs. They worked on my DOS computer. I'm going to try Oregon again. See if I can get anything out of that one. So I have a feeling that I'm actually having a problem with the DOS program. This will be the end of my video because I really don't know what to try from here. So I appreciate it, and it looks like I have a lot more to learn about DOS. Now, I did work with DOS when I was younger, and I actually moved around quite a bit within my computer. So I do know and understand a bit about DOS, but for some reason this program is not liking me. So we will abort this. Current drive is no longer valid. Okay, so we'll go to C. And there we are with C. So again, I just want to say thank you.